How to add recovery email in Google account. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up settings on device. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on Google. Now wait for some time. Now tap on your Google account. Now tap on Google account. Again wait for some time. Now scroll to the right and tap on security. Now scroll down. Now on this page you will find an option for recovery email. Simply tap on it. Again wait for some time. Now enter your password or phone screen lock screen. Again wait for some time. Now enter your email address. Now tap on next. Now click on verify. Now wait for some time. Now copy the code from your email. Now paste the code. Now tap on verify. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.